Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out from your Bigo Live account. Open your Bigo Live when it's sign in and then press on Me. Now, go to Settings on the top hand corner, scroll down until you find Logout. Click on it, press on Sure, and you can even remember your login info. After clicking on Sure, you will be shortly logged out or signed out from your account. This is how you sign out from your Bigo Live from your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.